Let's look at 5 ways that we can use the word set. Set can mean ready. So, are you set? Then let's begin. A set can mean a collection. This video is part of a set of English in a Minute videos. Set can also mean put in place. I can set my glass on the table. We can also set a date, and this means to arrange a date. For example, we have set the date for our wedding. It's on the 1st of June. If we are set on something, we are strongly in favour of it. For example, I am set on getting married in June. And we can use set against to say that we are strongly against something. For example, my parents are set against my wedding.
Oh no,